Alifmad. This is Alifmad. What is Alifmad and how is it useful? But before we study Alifmad, let's remember that Alif, the first letter of Urdu alphabet, gives A or A sound. For example, if we have to write ab, we will use alif, and here we have written ab in Urdu, alif be, ab. Similarly, when we have to write az, which means from, we will use alif and ze, az. But when we have to write ab, which means water, am, mango, aaj means today, aag means fire, and admi, which is human being, then we need to use Alifmad, because Alifmad gives two A sounds, A, or in Hindi A sound. So Alifmad will be used here for writing aag, admi, aaj and other words. So look at aaj. We have used Alifmad for a and jim for ja, aaj. Similarly, when you have to write aag, then Alifmad for a and gaf for ga sound, aag. We can also write ab, which means water, Alifmad a, and be, ab means water, ab. Similarly, we can use Alifmad for writing admi, Alifmad a, dal, mim and choti ye, admi. So always remember that Alifmad will give double A sound, that is a. So we can write admi, aag, ab, aaj, aag with Alifmad.